Hello everyone, I am Dr. Manzoor Sambalek, eye specialist from Bahawalpur. Today I am going to tell you about JAG laser. What is JAG laser, how it is used, and what are its effects in eye. So the JAG laser is a type of cutting laser which is used in the eye for the purpose of clearing vision just after cataract extraction and at the time of phaco surgery. We do implant IOLs and we place the IOL in the capsular bag of the previous cataractus lens. I mean, when we wash the cataractus lens and we clear it out, we leave behind a capsule which holds the lens and gives its place and keeps it in place. After some time, in young people particularly, that capsule may get cloudy and opaque, and with the passage of time, vision gets blurred. So for that, we use the JAG laser for clearing this capsule, this opaque and cloudy capsule. With the help of JAG laser, within seconds, we remove this capsule in the center and we make clear vision within seconds. So this is a nice, good tool. Without surgery in the outdoor, we may get clear vision. If anybody has got diminution of vision after cataract surgery, IOL implantation, if anyone gets cloudy vision, then one's doctor can check. If he advises there is some capsule opacification, then one can do that JAG capsulotomy and clear that guy's vision. So this is something very nice, very blessing, and within few seconds we may get the clear vision as it was after surgery. So this is a good tool and we can get benefit of this. If anyone is having problem after cataract surgery, after lens implantation, if vision is blurring, getting blurred, then he can get his eyes checked by a doctor and get this facility availed to clear his her vision forever. So I think you guys will feel this video very helpful. You may please get more information by contacting me through my WhatsApp number, through my contact box about this video, about any other eye diseases. You may contact me and get more information. Thank you for listening.